How to add fonts in Figma. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. For today's video, we will be talking about this platform called Figma. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is of course add a text by doing this. Then type in the message that you would like to present, then just like that. And what you're going to do to add a font for the specific text is you're going to click on design over here on the right side. And over here, you would be able to edit every single property related to your text over here. As you can see here on the text section, we have Enter, which is a font group over here that you could choose from. For example, we're going to check out is stock web over here, and you would be able to change the font design over here, like bold or regular over here. And then you could choose another font family over here, for example, OJ, just like that, and it will automatically change. You could choose any of these options that you would like, and you would be able to use them for your design on Figma. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.